Again, I hope you are having a fantastic Monday. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we actually have an exclusive sneak peek of the October 2019 Pin Culture Deluxe pin set. So, we're going to get in here and see what the sneak peek is, and I have some really awesome information for you guys. So, first of all, if you are not that familiar with pin culture, I will be going over all of the information you need. Before I do that, first, again, I want to say thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We have a lot of fun here. We do unboxings, live streams, product reviews, makeup hauls, giveaways. And speaking of giveaways, we do have 2 active giveaways right now. We have our makeup and skincare giveaway going on that end on the 4th. And we have the giveaway in the Boxy Luxe unboxing that ends on the 13th. The links for those will both be down below, so definitely enter if you have not already. Otherwise, let's get to pin culture. So, pin culture is a hair accessory subscription. They have hair ties, bobby pins, scrunchies, all kinds of things. There's actually like 11 or 12 different plans you could choose from. And this, like I said, is the deluxe set. This set includes their signature box, which is great because it's like a little pillow box and you can toss it in your purse, toss it in a gym bag, whatever you need to do. It's super great. And this is 25 bobby pins in your hair color, and you can choose from brown, black, or blonde. Obviously mine are blonde. And then you get 2 surprise hairpins, and they're a little bit more fancy. There's always a retail value of $12 or more for this subscription, this particular one. Now the month for the month of October, it's actually valued at $14. Subscriptions for this start at $7.75. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. There is free shipping. And okay, this is where it gets interesting. So, for the month of October, so through October 31st, the promo code Fall Southern Mom will not only get you 20% off a new subscription, but the first 10 people to use that promo code will also get the 20% off plus the shell pendant ribbon tie set that is valued at $12. So that's going to be ribbon ties and such. You're basically going to get like a second subscription for free, in addition to the 20% off. That is amazing. And this is their 2nd anniversary. So while supplies last, there is going to be a 2nd anniversary pin. So let's just dive in here and see exactly what we have got. The bag is super cute. It does always come in like a little poly bag mailer. So and it always comes wrapped up really cute with some washi tape. All right. Oh my goodness, I can see the 2 pins for this month and they are stunning. Okay. All right, so thank you for subscribing to the Deluxe Hair Pins box. And this kind of just talks about what I already told you about the different color. So you get 25 of the bobby pins. This is the signature box that I was telling you that's great just to throw in your bag. I actually keep 1 in my purse, 1 in my bedroom, 1 in my bathroom. So I always know where some hair ties or bobby pins are. But you get 25. And like I said, you can choose between brown, black, and blonde based on your hair color. So that's great. And then you always get 2 like fancy hairpins, and you guys, these are so cute. Like, Oh my God, 99 bobby pins, but can't find one. Do you guys see these? These are so gorgeous. Like, I really like both of those so much. I think they are both absolutely gorgeous. So those are the two. That would be the October box. So there's your little sneak peek. And then again, while supplies last, this is going to be the anniversary pin. And I think it's so cute. It's like little scissors. Celebrating 2 years. So happy birthday, Pin Culture. That is awesome. So that's a little bonus. And then, like I said, the first 10 people to use Fall Southern Mom to get 20% off this October box right here, the Deluxe Pin box, the Deluxe Hair Pins box, this right here, also get, like I said, the 20% off, and you get the 2 shell ribbon ties. Aren't they gorgeous? I love ribbon ties as far as when it comes to actually like using a hair tie. I prefer ribbon ties, and these are so cute. Like even the shells. Yeah, even the shells themselves are actually the color of the ribbon. So like that shell, the inside of it's blue, and the bottom one, the inside of the shell is green. Those are so pretty. I just like the way these don't knot up your hair or anything. So you could get all of this and 20% off if you use the link and the promo code down below. So if you need bobby pins, because let's be honest, usually we all do if we're putting our hair up. I mean, I've got this happening today. But you can get this with that promo code, or the first 10 people can, plus the 20% off. And while supplies last, you get the anniversary bobby pin. You get these 2 gorgeous pins right here. I mean, stunning. Do you see this right here? This sparkle, and then these pearls. These are just gorgeous. This is so beautiful. I like instantly went into like holiday hair mode. Not to mention the 25 bobby pins, because let's be honest, how many times do we lose bobby pins? I know I lose them all the time. So like I said, plans for this Deluxe Hair Pins box start at $7.75. I will put the link down below again, as well as that promo code Fall Southern Mom to get you 20% off. And again, the first 10 people will also get these shell ribbon ties. So that's really awesome. So thank you so much, Pin Culture, for sending this and letting me do a sneak peek here for October. So if you like what you see, definitely go ahead and order. You don't want to miss out. To me, these right here are worth it. They're just gorgeous. So let me know your thoughts down below. And again, I hope you have a wonderful Monday and a great start to your week. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.